For Your Money is brought to you by NelsonCorp Wealth Management.
It's now time for Your Money. We're joined by David Nelson, CEO of NelsonCorp Wealth Management. Welcome back, David.
Thank you, Brandy. Appreciate it.
So with volatility returning to stocks, what segments of the market look the shakiest to you?
Well, the market as a whole, we're almost closing in on a record we don't want. And that record would be 4 consecutive months where we had negative returns. That hasn't happened since 1946. So that clearly is a record that we want to get. But the area probably that you have to say is front and center as far as really rough times would be small caps. And small cap stocks, I have a chart that I think will give people a pretty nice visual of it. You see that the left side is obviously going back a few years, and this particular chart is going back 5 years. Then we see a little run up, and then we see this drop off. And if you go to the far right, what you're seeing there is that the small cap index, which again we look at as far as the Russell 2000, it's probably the most widely viewed as far as in the small cap arena. And what we see is there's been some advances and then pullbacks. And so the small cap index has been trying to get out of its way. And unfortunately, we're back to cycle lows, which is certainly not where we want to be now. But this is the small cap area. And you look at it in comparison to large caps, they certainly underperformed as far as in that regard.
So how should viewers be thinking about this information as it relates to their investments?
Well, a lot of us like to buy things on sale, and this would appear to be a really nice sale, but I guess I'll cut to the conclusion. I probably wouldn't be venturing into these waters in a very big way right now. I think the risks clearly are there. Higher interest rates are causing a lot of these companies to struggle and have difficulty.
If you missed any of our discussion, we'll make it available for you on ourquadcities.com.